Good job, jackass. 1,500 bucks in case anybody was curious, and all things considered, a 25-plus-year-old vehicle in the Salt Belt, really not all that bad. If you don't live in the Salt Belt, please count your blessings, because this shit sucks. Here we are, test drive in the new Ranger, 1996. It's only got 218,938 miles on it. It doesn't appear as though the speedometer works, so that odometer reading isn't correct. Mean exhaust leak, as I'm sure you can hear. You can feel the cab bouncing because this body mount under my ass is smoked. It's pretty sweet. When I got the thing, the valve cover gasket was leaking pretty good, to the point where you'd take it for a drive and then have to stop at a light or traffic or whatever, and it looked like you were on fire with all the smoke rolling out from underneath the hood. But we've since replaced that. Nice blue Felpro job. Painted the valve cover. And this drive we're on right now is to make sure that I actually did the job correctly and it's not leaking anymore. Sorry if the sound quality is kind of crappy. I'm sure that exhaust leak is reverberating through here pretty good. I'm going to need to get a microphone for this sort of thing, I'm sure. Let's see what she's got. She shifts good. This thing primarily to be the winter beater, but I also want to just have a bunch of fun with it. This is my fourth, I believe, Ranger. Started out with a 98. Moved on to a 2010. Got rid of that and got a 2021. I traded for the Bronco, and now I got this, 96. I think the thermostat's probably stuck open because this thing's been running for 20 minutes now, and I'm barely off seat. Like any good Ranger, the blower motor only works on high, but at least it works on high. Heat blows nice and hot. What else do you need? Seatbelt doesn't latch. This thing doesn't latch. Radio works, I guess.
This is a team that's right there.
Football.
They're on the verge. They've got a lot.